Hi Josh, hi Kalpana, hi Braj. Hello Bhupesh. Good evening friends and welcome to Roaring Cycles Listings. Today we have a special person from Hyderabad. He loves to ride and he has been riding, but what he is more passionate about is selling products, that's biker products, or rather products for your touring. Okay, so yes, so we are going to listen to him, his journey, and as well as all the products that he has to offer to us on his shop. So without wasting much time, let me invite him over. So give me a minute. Yes, Josh. Guardian Gears is from Hyderabad, so you can definitely connect to them.
हेलो.
Hello.
हाय मैम.
Hi, how are you?
आई एम फाइन. आप कैसे हो?
मैं बढ़िया. बस बाइक पूरा बाइक वाइक का सेटिंग पूरा लगा के रखे हैं आपने पीछे,
नहीं
आपके
नहीं, हमारा
बैकग्राउंड में भी.
स्टोर भी है ना हमारा. वी हैव अ स्टोर आल्सो
हाँ.
एक्चुअली.
Yeah, that's what
या
I'm
सो वी
saying.
हैव
You
अ
have
स्टोर इन.
decorated your store with all the bike frames and everything around there.
या ऑफ कोर्स दोस व्हाट यू सी एट द बैकग्राउंड, दे आर ऑल आवर प्रोडक्ट्स. आवर गार्डियन गेज का पूरा ब्रांडिंग किया हुआ है हमने.
Oh wow, wow, awesome, awesome. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's start with your introduction, your name, where you're from, what do you do, everything.
Basically, my name is Ismail, and I am the owner of Guardian Gaze. As already we have, like everybody must be knowing,
Yeah.
and we are based in Sikandrabad.
Okay.
And we have a store here also in Secunderabad
Uh-huh.
by the name of Gear Up Your Motorcycle Store.
Okay.
And uh, in 2017, we started with our own brand, that was Guardian
Mhm.
Gaze,
Oh,
where we
nice.
make premium motorcycle luggage and travel solutions. We are having like backpacks also we have launched now. So tying bag, saddle bag, tail bags, all the bags which are required for the long touring and riding, and also that all we are manufacturing now.
Wow. Awesome. So what inspired you to start with this gear thing and in the very first place start a shop for bikers stuff?
Uh, actually, in 2013, see, 6 years back, I was into modular kitchen and interiors.
Okay.
So, 12 years, I had a factory, like we had a factory, we used to make these kitchens and we used to, sell to the builders and the architects and all.
Uh-huh.
And in 2013, I saw this KTM bike in the magazine, this
Mm-hmm.
KTM 390, and I decided that I wanted to buy this bike.
Okay.
And 2015, I bought the KTM 390 Duke.
Okay.
And after I bought the bike, I started to ride. I started to go on rides. I started to go in on track days, and
Mm-hmm.
generally interacting with people. And I went around the city also because I was looking for good gears. I wanted a good helmet and jacket. I wanted good gears for myself.
Right.
So I went around the city. I saw a couple of shops, and I found that they are not very good store at that time. There were not so much very good stores available at that time.
Right. Yeah.
And then after I interacted, I thought that okay, let's do some, side में डालते एक shop अपना भी एक डाल. Let's start with the gear up thing, and so then we I thought about starting gear up and a store and all, and then we started from there. So that is how I got into this field. And
Okay.
although it was not my plan to come full-fledged into this field, and like I never thought at that time I'm going to start my own brand and I'm going to do. So I just came, like everything happened organically.
Okay. So just like आपने पहला कदम उठाया और बाकी के सब चलती है आपके साथ.
Yes, 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 yes. बस वो कहते हैं ना कि वो कारवा बनता गया, लोग जोड़ते गया और कारवा बनता गया.
कारवा बनता गया. करेक्ट. या. That's really great. So, are you passionate about biking as well? As in, where all have you traveled and all
Yeah,
that?
yeah, motorcycling, okay, compared to what you have done and what you have achieved, and the records that you have, I don't even know that if I can call myself as a biker. But
No,
हाँ, बाइकर वाली फीलिंग सारी है मेरे में.
बस वही इम्पोर्टेंट है.
So, so riding, as bikers, we all know that riding and going on the ride and, with your motorcycle and how we treat our bikes. So that always was always there. And actually, if I think about two-wheelers and motorcycling, if I when I was in eighth or ninth class, my parents got me a Mofa bike, a
ओके.
Mofa moped.
हाँ
So वो
या
50 cc की आती थी मोफा वो टाइम
हाँ
पे लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 20-25 years बैक ज्यादा उससे भी ज्यादा होगा शायद.
हाँ.
So all my friends had cycle and I used to come on this mofa, this moped. And from there, then I got TVS Jam, then I got Kinetic. Then I had a Suzuki Samurai bike I had.
ओके.
So on that bike, I did a lot of rides and वो time पे करते थे. And okay, so that was the beginning of and of course, bikes and two-wheelers, motorcycles always I used to love to,
Yeah,
look
I
at the
think
bikes
most
and see
boys
this
love.
big huge bike. Yeah, yeah, exactly. And how, and वो time पे इतना कुछ था नहीं. I mean that time तो nothing was at all. Used to get imported bikes बाहर से ही मंगाना पड़ता था.
Correct. Yeah.
So yeah, so that was the start. And then 12 years, as I said, I was into interiors. So 12 years I was into that. So I will not tell that it is like my like पहले से ही मुझे passion था कि मुझे एक दिन ये करना है ऐसा कुछ था नहीं.
हाँ.
But just happened.
That's great. Like, it is always a calling that you get for, I think, at least for
Yes, yes.
bikes or being a biker. Like, I never ever dreamed I would ever touch a bike, forget riding it also. मतलब सोचा भी नहीं था कभी जिंदगी में. And today, like, I've done so many tours and I've visited so many places and all that. So it is like a calling that you get कि हाँ मुझे ये चीज करना है. This is I mean, out of the blue, something कुछ होता है and then you get onto it. So I
Exactly,
think
exactly.
we
And
match that
yeah,
way.
yeah. Yes, yes, absolutely. You are saying what is right. Absolutely, it is right. And in this field, I have met so many people. They are all having similar story only. That हम भी कुछ जॉब करते थे या कॉर्पोरेट में थे या ऐसा था. And then I started the store and ऐसा ऐसा we did. And like basically, the love for the motorcycle and the passion what we all
Correct.
share. That is like a common bond, which instantly you connect with the person.
Correct. Yeah. So you started this whole business, as in you set up your shop in 2013 or in 2017?
No, I started the shop in 2015. I started the
Okay.
shop in 2015, and like I told that I had no plans of coming into this as a full fledged. I thought I'll do it because I had already I had a I was very comfortable in my work what I was doing.
Hmm.
And actually, I had no need to do this, but only just because of the, कि एक करते हैं भाई साइड में, just because of the passion था, तो हमने साइड में शुरू करने का पहले प्लान किया था. So very small
Huh.
place we took and we started.
Okay.
And then things happened, and then I left that company. I sold my shares in that company, and then whatever the amount I got, I invested full-fledged in this, and then I decided, chalo, full-fledged, we'll come into the store. So then we started the store, and then in 2017, I got this thought that okay, let's start our own brand.
Hmm.
Let's make our. So I designed the logo and all those
Okay.
things I did, and starting 6-8 months, we made the bags. We tested it out in the market. सबको हमने
Hmm.
दिया bags and feedback लिया, and then improved on that, and then 2018 finally officially we launched in the market. We started selling. Then वहां से start हुआ हमारा journey.
Cool. Cool. That's awesome. So yeah. So where exactly is your shop situated? You said you're in Secunderabad. So where exactly in
Yeah,
Secunderabad is your shop?
our shop is in Thirmalgiri, Sikandrabad. It's in the
Okay.
Thirmalgiri area.
Mm-hmm. That's the
That's where
entire
our
army area, as far as I know. I mean,
yes, yes, a cantonment area. It's a whole
yeah,
cantonment area. Yes.
correct,
And
correct.
you can check the Google in on Google. We have the profile is there for our store. Gear Up Your
Mm.
Motorcycle Store is the name of the store, and even
Okay.
Guardian Gaze. You can look it up in Google. You can just type in Google. You'll get the address and everything.
So it is like on the way towards where we go towards Midsel and all that, Medak and all that
Yeah.
side.
Mitchell is also like we are in the center of the Mitchell and Shamirpet road. So those sides
Shamirpet Road.
say
Yeah.
one. Yes, so the HL road goes to from the other side, and from our side we can go to the Shamirpet road. So we are
Okay.
near the Tirmalgiri crossroads. The Tirmalgiri
Okay.
signal is there, so near the crossroads we are there.
I've been there. That's why I asked you a little more in detail. So
Yes, I know, I
I've
know,
been
I
to
know.
Shamirpet.
Honestly, when Abhishek called me for the interview, I had heard your name, but I never knew like what you have accomplished and like who you are actually. Then I
Okay.
saw a couple of videos. I saw, I just wanted to know better that whom I am interacting with. And when I saw, I was so honored, that
Oh my God.
given me this, you have invited me to have an interview with you. So I felt really honored.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. So, Ismail, tell us like what are the products that you currently have in your shop, and like one is what are the things that you have in your shop. Second is what are the gears or what are the things that you produce.
Acha. So what we sell is basically helmets, jackets, boots, gloves, all the riding gear is there, and
Mm-hmm.
luggage also we have, and the tang bag, saddle bag, tail bags, backpacks. These are what we make in Guardian Gaze. So that is what we make. That is our own brand. In our
Okay.
own Guardian Gaze brand, we make the motorcycle luggage part. Apart
Mm-hmm.
from that, whatever other things like helmets and jackets and gloves, what you need that we have helmets we have from LS2, we have AGV and SMK helmets, and
Mm-hmm.
Rhinox we are having in the apparel, jacket and pants and all those things, and boots we keep Orazo boots we are having, and
Okay.
we keep some essentials, the bungee cords and balaclavas and all the essentials what you might need, Motul engine oil and lube
Mm.
and clean and
Okay.
all those things we have. Yeah, so all those things. Accessories we don't keep much. Accessories we don't have. Earlier we used to do, but now since we are into our own manufacturing, own brand, so it's difficult to handle too many things. So we are just having selected things and
Okay.
trying to concentrate more on our own brand now.
Yeah. So, in your brand, like you said, you make luggages. So how as in the bags, bags, as in the saddle bags and stuff like that. So
Yes,
how is it
yes.
different from other brands, or what is the specialty of the bags that you make, as in your produce?
See that I can tell only one word for it: the quality. So
Okay.
the quality what we are giving, and the quality, not only the quality in the product, the quality in the price, and the quality in the service. So that
Okay.
is our USP. So we don't
That is what you
compromise
need to
anywhere
explain to
in.
me. You have to sell it to me now.
No, you have to see the product. When you see the product only, because see, every brand will tell that my quality is good, but only
Yeah,
when the
absolutely.
customer tells us, when the customer will tell us that the brand is good, the quality is good, then it is, we also feel very proud, and we also feel that yeah, actually the customers are really liking the product.
Correct.
So, so quality is what, and word of mouth, I think that is the best way of marketing. Word of mouth is the best way of marketing.
Right.
So that is
But
how we are doing right now.
and are these like I mean, do you have waterproof bags, or is it like you'll have to put a rain cover? Like typically, if we take a I mean, unless we buy the Frogman of Dirt Sack, or for Rhinox, they
Mm-hmm,
have
mm-hmm.
put near PVC. Otherwise, we need to use this rain covers on it, जो हमेशा उड़ जाता है. You go fast and it उड़ जाता है. So, so is it like I mean, your products, are they waterproof, or how is it?
They are not 100% waterproof. It's not like the Dirt Sack, Frogman, and all what they give, but we do provide a rain cover, and we have the proper fixing systems. The rain cover, if you fix it properly, it's not going to fly. And we have the dry bags to keep inside the bag. So if you are
Okay.
carrying some camera equipment or something sensitive, because see, honestly, if you are riding 12 months, then you don't need the waterproof bag for 12 months. And the
Correct.
only inconvenience, what we think that is there in those bags is that to put the stuff and accessing the stuff is a little difficult because you have to roll top,
Yeah.
you will have, and you have to open it, and to accessing is slightly tough in those
Yeah.
type of bags. So what we
Correct.
have having is we gave a option, like we gave a option that you buy the bag will come with a rain cover, which makes it almost waterproof. And then if you are very particular that you are carrying something sensitive, camera equipment or some item that might get spoiled with water, then you can buy the inside dry bag and you put inside the bag, and then you put all the stuff inside. That makes it 100% waterproof.
Okay.
So
So
we
you
are
provide
trying
that
to give that
dry
option.
bag as well.
Yeah, we have the dry bag for the saddle bag, and the tail bag. We have the dry bag,
Okay.
and for tank bag and other products, I don't think it's required because we are doing since 2018, 2 years now. We have done like almost done 2 years now. So
Hmm.
the feedback and all what we have got is that water has not really go inside the bag. So
Okay.
maybe very heavy rain and very if it is like a downpour and you are riding continuously for 8-10 hours in the rain, then probably slightly the water may go. But apart from that, it's not required.
Okay. Because मतलब मुंबई का रेंज इज लाइक हेल एंड वैसे भी इंडिया का रेंज के अंदर लाइक नथिंग कैन सेव यू यू वेयर व्हाट एवर यू वांट यू डोंट गेट सेव्ड विद वाटर
Y-
फ्रॉम वाटर
Yes, yes,
सो
absolutely. Yeah.
या सो इवन प्लास्टिक्स के अंदर भी पानी घुस ही जाता है कुछ ना कुछ करके
घुस ही
तो
जाता है कहीं ना कहीं पानी है कहीं ना कहीं से जाएगा पीपल स्पेंड सो मच इन वाटर प्रूफिंग व्हेन आई वाज इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन इंटीरियर्स में हमको पता है ना कि 5 lakhs 10 lakhs पीपल यूज स्पेंड वाटर प्रूफिंग के लिए वो फिर एक साल में फिर वो पानी आना शुरू हो जाता है वो कितना भी कर लो पानी है कहीं से भी आएगा वो उसके लिए कुछ
करेक्ट
नहीं कर सकते अपन
करेक्ट so you so Abhishek is saying like you mentioned after sale service can you um, elaborate on that like what is that after sale service that you give
आ, See, very fortunately, by God's grace, we have less than 1% of complaints from the customer. So whenever
okay
any customer calls us for any issues, if they need any help for fixing, installation, or maybe the bag has got damaged or something like that, so we definitely try to help the customer out, and we try to solve the problem as soon as possible. And
okay
replacements also we are very quick to give, but we have even hardly 10 or 15 replacements in 2 years. So
oh
that's
nice
like very minimum.
correct
And
correct
that also comes from the dealer side or somewhere some the customers. See, all these bags are made by hand. So this
okay
entire what all the products you see, this made by hand. It's
okay
handmade product. So
hmm
मैनुअल में कहीं ना कहीं स्टिचिंग छूट जाता है कहीं ना कहीं होता है इट्स नॉट दैट 100% आई नॉट टेल दैट हमारे प्रॉब्लम आता ही नहीं है but yeah definitely if you have any issues with the bag we are always there to give the service and I personally attend all the calls for any service related issues.
so how many I mean your saddle bags that you're saying or your tail bag how many liters are they as in are they anything
uh,
more than what is generally being offered by other brands or is it something else?
I will not say it is more, but at par, and it is sufficient if you want to do any long rides, even if you want to do a 3 months or 4 months ride. Also, I think see every biker, every person has a different need. I mean, like when I used to go for trek, I used to just carry a 30 liter or 40 liter backpack.
Hmm.
So there are depending on what all stuff you want to keep in the bag, you have to select which what you want to buy. So basically now product range we have 4 tank bags. So there are
Okay.
two we have in a magnetic one, two we have a universal that will fit all the motorcycles,
Okay.
and both we have in 18 liters and 20 liters capacity. And then
Okay.
we have tail bag. Tail bag we have 50 liters and 70 liters.
Okay.
And the saddlebag is 50 liters capacity.
Okay. So mainly
Yeah.
your I mean the number of products that you're making is about what 10 odd products. How many products do you make?
We have about 15 plus now because now we launched our backpack. We have a backpack
Okay.
now, new backpack has come, and we have a small day pack. Then we have
Mm-hmm.
a three-in-one sling bag which can turn, which you can wear it as a sling bag, as a thigh bag, as a waist bag, and
Oh,
we have
nice.
a hydration bag we are having.
Okay.
We have a small tank pouch, like a small tank
Okay.
pouch. That's very
Huh.
like for who doesn't
Team city
like it's for
types
the
or
daily
office goers.
use. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, just office goers and all normal, not like a biker, but normal for daily commute. Anybody can buy it. It's a
Right.
very small pouch. In that we have a magnetic one also right
Okay.
now. So we have about 15 plus products
Wow.
in our range right now.
That's great. So how does your network work? Like, I mean, are you online or how do you market it around and how does that network work?
Basically, we have three platforms from how we sell. So first is we have our own website. So we have guardiangaze.in is our website. So if you want to buy the product, you go to the website, you can buy it from the site. Then we
Mm-hmm.
have our dealers. We have close to 40 dealers now across India.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
we have the dealer network is there, and it is slowly we are concentrating more on increasing that network now. And
Okay.
we also are listed on Amazon. So you can
Okay.
go on Amazon and buy the product.
And
So these
so,
three ways we are doing.
so
Yes, ma'am.
you said like you have 40 dealers across India. Uh,
Mhm.
which states in India do you have them?
Maharashtra we are having, Karnataka we have, Tamil Nadu we are having, West Bengal we have,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Kerala we are having few now. Lucknow we are having one. Ranchi we started recently with one person. In Gujarat we have about three dealers. In
Okay.
Maharashtra we are having Maharashtra, Bombay, Pune. There we have dealers. So if you want more information about the dealer network, if anybody wants to know who the dealers are, again you go to the site. Our website has a dealer location section, so you can go there and state-wise we have provided the contact details. Their websites are also provided on that, so you can go and find out whoever is the closest to you.
Great. So I mean, so we just type guardiangears.com and will we get onto the website or what's your address?
Guardiangaze.in, guardiangaze.in,
Dot in. Okay, that's nice.
guardiangaze.in.
Okay.
Hmm.
So Kalpana wants to know, do you manufacture riding gears as well? So Kalpana, no, their USP is on baggages as of now, as in luggage. So if you want saddlebags, yeah, tail bags and tank bags, yeah, you can go for that. Abhishek was asking, like, do you make these as in the tank bags? Sorry, the saddle bags that you make, are they also made for straight and upswept silencers? As in, the apart from cruisers, which have a straight silencer, the other bikes, street bikes and stuff, have a upswept silencer. So, do you make it designed as per that, or is it just one design which fits all?
No, it is one design, but basically, see, any saddlebag you take from any brand, the saddlebag will is designed for a straight exhaust only. And few bikes like KTM Adventure is there, Himalayan is there, and Dominar also we have tested, and CBR also we tested. So it doesn't require a saddle stay to fix the bag. But we suggest that if you are buying a saddlebag, you should if you fix a saddle stay and then you fix the bag, it is always safer. And also one thing what we have realized is that people don't understand the concept of a tail bag
Hmm.
because they always think the saddle bag is only what comes. But if you're
Hmm.
traveling solo, if you're solo on the ride and you don't have a pillion behind you, then you can just buy the tail bag. So the tail bag sits on the race on the pillion seat, and it is the weight also is centralized, and it's very stable. Even if you are going 140, 150 plus speeds, also it is quite stable. So if you are traveling with a pillion, then you don't have any choice. So you have to buy a saddle bag. And if you are traveling solo, then tail bag you should take. But yes, if you
Okay.
are buying the saddlebag, what we have fits all the bikes with the straight exhaust, and few bikes with the upswept exhaust also it fits. And if you
Okay.
have installed a saddle stay on your bike, then it will fit. There's no issues then.
Okay, okay. Typically, what we see is like I use a tail bag as well. So what we see,
Hmm.
what I see generally, when I put that tail bag, it keeps coming down, as in it comes and hits my back. So if I go on a speed or if I go on a bump or something, and one more thing that I generally observe with these bags, whether it's a saddle bag or a tail bag or thing, the clippings are not. I mean, it breaks off all the time for me. So, what have you actually researched on that or done something for it?
See, as far as the breaking of the clips and all is gone, it depends upon how you are installing the bag on the bike. So installation of the bag is also very important on the bike, especially for saddle bags. And tail bags, what you said, yes, if you are going at a speed of 100 plus and then you suddenly want to brake, then the bag is going to move slightly. But again, if you have tied it in a like proper way with the straps and everything, so there should not be any issues. And you know, we always if you going on a long ride or something like that, you always carry extra bungee cord, and always we always carry with us. So if you want to reinforce it, then just put an extra bungee cord on top of it. It will be stable. It will not move. It will not move so much.
Yeah. So yeah, I keep giving feedbacks to all the people's products that I keep buying and using. So that's why I asked you whether you have done any research on the
Yes.
clipping part, because generally the clips over a period of time it tends to break, because
Yeah.
the kind of rides that we do, or when we are going off roading or something where the luggage literally jumps up and down, and that's when the clips start, either they break or they come out or they get deformed or things like that.
Yeah, it can ha see if you are using a low quality of a clip, then it might break. But what we use is only good quality. Like we have the like from where we buy the clips, they are an ISO 9001 certified company.
Mm-hmm.
So and they test everything, and it's the best what is available right now in India. So accordingly, we are buying the product, and all the raw material what we are sourcing is like very good quality, and we test it here. Everything our from our end also. A lot of R&D has also gone. As I said, that 6 8 months we have just done this because I had absolutely zero idea about what to make the bags and everything. But then I learned everything. When we started initially, we started from the cellar of my house. So
Uh-huh.
we bought one machine and we put in the cellar of my house, and
Okay.
then I with the person and all sat and we did the cutting and stitching and everything.
Wow.
So I have done everything in the start. So six,
Awesome.
8 months, all those only things we have done. And then we tested everything, and whatever is the best available, we are giving. But again, 100%, so I cannot guarantee, nobody will guarantee 100% that it's not going to break, or it's not, something might go wrong somewhere. If you are not careful, it might happen.
Great, great. So Abhishek wants to know if you have any products right now to show us on the live thing. I mean, on our
Yeah,
live
sure.
stream.
I can show. Yeah, sure. I can show you the products.
And
So these are the
whilst you're showing
products.
us, one question is like, do you manufacture headlight grills and radiator guards for Himalayan
No, no,
vehicles?
no, 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 sir, no, sir. We don't do that. We only have luggage. This is our brand. This is our tail, our tying bag. This is our tail bag, and
Okay.
this is the hydration bag.
Oh
This is
wow.
these are
That
the
how many
these
liters
are
is
the
it?
this small one. It will hold a 2 liter bladder. You have a
Okay,
two
nice.
liters bladder. It will go behind, and it's like that. And then this is the backpacks what we have recently launched. These are the
Uh-huh.
small day packs what we are having. This is the small tank pouch which I was talking about. In this now
Oh,
we
that
have a
looks
magnetic
cute.
version also.
Okay.
Yeah, so this has a basically it has a flap, and then you can
Uh-huh.
have a small compartment. You can keep anything like wallet or bike documents, bike cloth,
Nice.
and all you
Yeah.
can put inside. Then this is a three-in-one sling bag what we have.
Mhm.
So you can wear it as a sling bag, as a waist bag, as a thigh bag. Then we have this kind of a, a backrest. It's a backrest bag, so you can fix on the
Okay.
backrest.
Oh,
This is a
nice.
smaller tank bag. And
Oh,
we
nice.
have saddle bag. We have our helmet bag is there. This is the smaller tank bag. So you can see this is a
Okay.
smaller, and you have a expansion. You have a zip here. You expand it, it will expand also.
Oh, nice.
So this is the small
Nice.
one, and this is the big one. And
Okay.
this you can also wear it like a backpack. So
Okay.
you have the straps for the bag. You can use it as a backpack also.
Cool.
And yeah, that's it.
That's interesting. That's really interesting. So, Deepak Gupta ji is saying like with ROK strap, you can, it is additional safety and you can, your luggage would not move at all on braking or on bumps. Are you planning to make
Yes, yes.
any such kind of straps and or bungee cords in future?
Yeah, maybe we might make straps. We are planning to make some straps. So
Mhm.
again, like post lockdown, sourcing material has become little. It's a challenge for us now.
Yeah. Huh.
So we are planning something like that.
Okay. One second. Sorry. Yeah.
No problem.
That's great. Yeah, we will look forward to much more, many more things to come from you. It really, uh, I mean, you said chota mota cheese, and then there's a whole range of stuff that you're keeping in there and stocked up. So, Ismail, coming back to you, okay, you have to tell me which places have you ridden to and what has been a very memorable place for you.
Uh, I told you that I have not done much of riding. I have done just small city rides and local 100, 200 kilometers rides. The longest ride I did, it was, I think, I went to Bangalore on my bike. So I went to
Okay.
Bangalore and I came back. That's like nothing actually, you know. So, but we rode in like when I was in Nepal. So
Mm-hmm.
from Pokhara to Jhinu we had ridden, and that was a very memorable ride.
Oh, nice.
And I remember, yeah, so we had ridden from Pokhara to Hinway, and from there we had a trek of 2 hours, and we had gone to a place called Chomrung. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the most memorable trip for me, you know. So because I love the mountains,
Okay.
and
And
I mean
uh,
I can't you know, I can't say, I don't have words to tell you, but that
that
was an
that look
awesome trip.
on your face says it all. The memory coming on there, and that
Yes, yes.
lovely
Oh my
memory.
God,
I'm sure it's going to
it's
stay with
amazing.
you
It's
forever.
amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Nepal is one place where I need to go. I've not yet visited. I'm waiting for it to call me. So I need to go when it calls me there.
Yes, yes, yes. I mean, okay, Nepal we had gone, but of course, if you our northeast is not less than anything else. So now, though, I think we should promote more India, you know, traveling in India
Absolutely
itself. Because there's so many places here in India and unexplored places. And I
correct.
think now after the lockdown has opened up slightly, even people are realizing and they are going to all these places and showing, like so many vloggers and motor vloggers going to these small, small places and trying to promote the tourism, you know. So it's good.
Yeah, and typically we at Roaring Cycles also interview people and ask them about India or the places that they have visited, which is not so very well known, because even our aim is to promote India's tourism as far as possible. The places, because India is a place which I think you need 3 to 4 lifetime to actually go and explore, and still I think it will be unexplored to some extent.
Yes, yes, absolutely right, absolutely right, absolutely right.
So Abhishek is asking, what's the pricing of your product like? As in, is it at par the market, or is it very much competitive to it?
No, it's very much competitive. You can check the pricing. You can check all the pricing of the products what we are having. And again, see, pricing goes along with quality. So whenever you are buying any product, you must see the quality, what quality they're offering, and at what price they're offering. Then only it is value for money. So we are very proud to say that our products are all value for money. And when you buy a Guardian Gaze product, our service and our team is always there to help you and to guide you in any way you want. And we are trying to improve every day because we just started 2 years back. So we are relatively young, compared to the big giants in the market who are there. So we are just starting. So, but we are here to stay, and the most good thing about us is that the feedback what we are getting from the customers and the dealers and all that, they really like the product. So that is very good for us.
Yeah, I saw someone even write and say that you have wonderful products and the quality is really good out there. I mean, whatever you're selling. So
Thank you,
I
thank
will
you.
need to buy something from you maybe.
I'll send you, ma'am. You tell me, or you just share your address. I'm sending you. You don't need to buy it. I'll send it. It will be my pleasure.
Thank you. That would be really nice of you. Very sweet of you, in fact. Coming to this, I mean, you said vloggers and bloggers and people going around with their cameras and stuff like that. Do you plan to make something that would be easy for? I mean, some bag or something that would be easy for us, people like us who carry those DSLRs, chota mota cameras and things like that, where we can just open one zip and take it out and also store it back safely. Are you planning to make some?
Camera bags, like a
Camera bag,
camera
but
bag.
which can be snug enough, like don't have to carry that big thing around with us. Like खोला, click
Yeah,
किया,
camera.
open किया, click किया, and then we are back.
Honestly, we don't have something like that right now because we just designed the backpack. So our backpack
Mm-hmm.
has a compartment, additional huge compartment where you can put your camera and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not a dedicated camera bag, but it's a multifunctional bag. You can use it like a gym bag or a camera bag or a laptop bag.
Mm-hmm.
So that bag we have which you can use, and yeah, we may think about if we get like if we get good questions, and if people are asking, if that demand is there from the market to make such a bag where they want to put their camera and everything, so definitely we will design one bag. So that depends upon the demand and what customers are asking us.
Because I think for people like us, so for me, I'm not a very big photographer or something like that, but we all love to capture those memories wherever we are going. Like एक sunset देख लिया, उसके जैसा sunset आज तक नहीं देखा हो, and we just stop by and just pick up the camera. लेकिन अब कैमरा निकालते निकालते तो sunset हो जाता है. So
Yeah, so our tank bags are there, like the big 20 liters tank bag, what we have, you can carry a camera in that. You can carry a DSLR camera, and it's a quick access, it fits on the tank. So if you have anything like that, you just open the zip, pull out the camera, shoot, and then put it back. So you can use, and people and customers are there who use it like that. They put the cameras, they put the drone, they put all the batteries, they put all the action cameras. So they put all those stuff in the bag and they use it. So whatever the tank bags we have, the bigger one, the 20
mhm.
liters tank bag what we have, and even the backpack what now we have. So you can use those bags as a camera bag also.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So
Yeah,
Abhishek is
yeah. But
asking since you,
the
yeah, sorry, go ahead.
जी tell me.
नहीं नहीं आप
No, no.
बोलो.
Like हाँ, dedicated camera bags भी आता है. Like you get online. You have these bags which have the compartment to put your the lenses and the camera SD card, everything. So like that, a particular bag for that thing, like only to keep the camera equipment, we don't have right now. But
Okay,
we have bags where you can use it for the DSLR.
cool. So I'm actually leaving a thought with you to make a camera bag for us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes,
So
definitely
Abhishek
we'll
is
think about it.
asking how many people do make these products as they are all hand stitched. Like what's the labor like? How many people do you have
We
employed?
have about total strength of our staff is 15 right now. So
Okay.
administrative actually we don't have. I mean, I take care of everything. So in
Mm-hmm.
admin we have just one person, like myself, and one more person is there. And
Mm-hmm.
the workshop has around 12 to 15% are there. But right now because of the pandemic, we had to send few of them home because they were also like wanting to go back
Yeah.
to the village. So, but the total strength what we have is 15 right now.
Okay. And so Abhishek has a lot of questions for you. Okay? He's asking, what is Ismail like at the workshop? So he wants to see you stitch some bags, I guess.
No, no, no. I am not a master tailor or something. Now that is all on my people who are doing the work for us. So
Uh-huh.
they are all very. They have at least 5, 10 years of experience in this stitching field, in the making bags field, and they do the work. So leave it to the professionals. We do our job. My job is to market and sell, and their job is to make it.
Cool. So, and like how many people do you think? As in, see, we know very few people who actually make these baggages for bikes. So, how many
Mhm.
products? I mean, or rather, how many companies are actually there in the market who are like prominently making these bags? As in these
If
luggage.
you
What's
if
the
you talk
competition
about
like?
Indian brands, of course, Rhinox is one who makes. Then Dirtsack is one who is dedicated into this field of
Yeah,
making only luggage. So Dirtsack
right.
made very good products they have.
Yeah, absolutely.
And Vyaterra is one company who does. So
Mm.
Vyaterra also makes these bags. And then I think Golden Riders is there, Rida Gaze is there. And Biking Brotherhood also makes, Soleil's Gears also makes. So most of these only luggage manufacturing, if you see people who are only brands who are only doing luggage, I think
Mm.
we are the ones who do only luggage, and Dirtsack is there who does only luggage. And offhand, I don't think anybody. I think Golden Riders and all these guys, and even Gods, Road Gods is
Huh.
there who makes those anti-theft backpacks and beautiful
Mm.
backpacks they're making.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
those
these guys
backpacks are
are,
really good. Um,
yes,
the
yes,
God.
absolutely. Beautiful bags they have. Yeah, yeah. The Road Gods, they have these Marvel series and all the Spider-Man series and all those, and really beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely. That's yeah, they do have those. I always see that gods over there. सब लोग लेके चलते रहते हैं and all that.
Yes.
So if anyone wants to do a customized stuff from you, is that possible? Like say some club approaching you, okay, we need something, for us types, or they want to make it their signature kind of a custom. I mean bag or something. Will you be able to do that?
Honestly, not really, but we can add elements in our existing product. So if
Mm-hmm.
somebody wants like, but then the quantity should work out, because it all depends on what's the quantity they want. If somebody wants a 500 and 1,000 bags, then of course we will be interested to make if the
Mm-hmm.
quantity is that much. But if somebody says I want 5 bags or 10 bags for our group, then it's difficult. So probably we can add some element in the existing product.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if a group is there and they want like 20 bags with their group name on it. So that is possible with whatever the additional cost in will go into that.
Mm-hmm.
So that we can do, but like yeah, and if somebody starts calling us and saying that I want in every bag if they want a customization, then that is not possible.
Okay, okay. Because there are a lot of these, biker events. Of course, now that Corona is there, so there isn't many events happening. But then there are a lot of these biker events that happen, wherein there are good number of people coming in. Like good number in the sense 500 जितने नहीं आते, but still not 1000 जितने नहीं आते, तो 500 तक पहुंचते हैं. But that's what I wanted to know. So people can try and reach out to you. Like there are a lot of biker clubs even in Hyderabad, so they can reach out to you for something like that, to customize their products and things. So that would be like
Yeah, yeah,
really
yeah.
great, for them to reach out
Yes,
to you, and since you're there they can come and see the product and buy it
yes,
as and
yes,
when. So are you planning to
yes.
get into riding gears as well?
Uh, Honestly, riding is not in the near future. I think not for another 1 year. We were planning before the
Mhm.
lockdown, the thing happened. We were planning. In fact, we made one jacket also. But after the pandemic has happened, then we are thinking let's concentrate. And the response what we have got after the lockdown opened up, it's like so unbelievable that we don't have the time to make the jacket or the gloves.
Oh,
So
okay.
we are so much busy in our luggage only right now. So
Uh-huh.
that is something we will think about in the future. But right now, we are not planning anything like jacket
Yeah.
and honestly, there are too many players in it. So there are like every third day or fourth, like every month we get one new brand coming in who is importing the jackets, and then we can't see honestly we can't compete with the outside what they are getting.
Mm.
And if we want to really compete, then we should be at that scale. Then only we will be
Correct.
able to compete with them. So we
Yeah.
are not at that scale right now. So jackets and gloves right now, so we are not having any plans to make.
Yeah, but whenever you make, please see to it that you make some ladies' jackets as well. Because now the ladies
Yes,
are,
yes.
the lady riders are increasing, and then we are not finding jackets to our size.
Absolutely. Yeah, yeah. I have noticed it recently only, like past 2, 3 months after the thing, that so many ladies have come, and always I ask them when they come to the store that are you riding or are you sitting as a pillion? So no, no, I'm riding the bike. That's amazing. That's wonderful. So that is why I
Yeah.
want to buy the jacket, and so that's actually is very good.
Yeah, so I think you can start a ladies exclusive jackets store.
Yeah, maybe I'll make a pink color one.
No, 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 pink color. No,
I wanted to see that
no.
reaction. That is why I told.
I mean, I don't know why people make this pink color stripes and everything on these ladies' jackets. I mean, okay, we are ladies. We don't have to distinctly show that we are ladies, but then that is secondary. The main part is, when it comes to cleaning those things, and we have to like literally
Mhm.
scrub it out because it becomes equally dirty as it becomes for anyone else. And to maintain that color, it's too hard for us to actually sit and brush that particular color, that part and get that color back.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yeah,
please
yeah.
don't make pink. Please don't.
Okay, that's a good feedback for me right now only.
Yeah, please take it as a very good feedback. Write it down somewhere.
Yes, 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 yes. No, no, I mean, all the biker ladies who are there, nobody wants pink.
Yeah,
Because
we don't
I
want
have
pink. We don't want
100% of,
embroideries, and
yes,
we
they
don't
don't
want
want. They just
whites.
want a functional jacket. It should fit them properly with the good armor, good protection. I mean, ladies are anyways very sorted, so they know what they want.
Yeah, absolutely. And I do see that these jackets, which are for ladies, they come with only level 1 protection. I mean, हम लोग भी we are human beings.
Probably they think वो लोग कहाँ उतना फास्ट चलेंगे.
हाँ, yeah, maybe. But then गिरते तो हम ही ज्यादा है. जेंट्स नहीं गिरते
सही है.
उतना ज्यादा
नहीं.
गिरते तो लगता हम ही
No, no,
ज्यादा
no. Yes. No, अभी लगता है कि like few brands are there. Like I think Scala Gears is one brand which has come up with a lady jacket, good lady jacket, and they don't
है.
have any pink anywhere. So I think that is one brand which they have come up with a good jacket
Yeah,
for
I
the
think
ladies.
Scala,
So
Solis, and even Mototech is coming up with some ladies' jacket. I guess I'm not
Mototech is
sure.
also yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably
So
yeah.
do you actually keep store those ladies' jackets in your shop, or do you get it to order, or how do you do it?
Now I am planning to keep stock. Now I'm planning because I'm getting a lot of customers now. So now I'm planning to stock up with ladies jackets.
Ooh, ooh, yeah, that's the way to go. Yes, that's women's lips. That's really nice to uh, no, I mean you're pretty positive on things, and that is what I think will make you go more places. Because when we typically talk to some dealers or owners, they if we tell them that okay, why don't you do this or why don't you do that, they are like, नहीं अभी नहीं हो सकता, अरे नहीं, we'll have to think about it, I mean they will give us 10,000 rebuttals rather than just say yes, we can try this. But I like that attitude of yours where you're just saying yes, we will move towards that place where things are going. Yeah, that is a very very positive attitude, I'm saying, and hats off to you for that. And like
Thank you.
Abhishek said,
Thank you so much.
like Abhishek also said like it's good to hear you talking so positive about competition. Talks actually talks about your confidence in your product, because people don't like to talk about their competitors, right? I mean, who would take out दूसरे ब्रांड का नाम कौन लेगा जहाँ मेरा सामान नहीं बिक रहा होता, that ways.
नहीं नहीं क्यों नहीं 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 क्यों नहीं why not I mean we are not afraid of any competition and competition is there to stay we are also here to send and honestly market is very big and
Yeah,
it is growing it is very good that because 5 years back I started I know that there were groups and people were hiding and doing 5 years back I even 10 years back also but now the new wave has come and the new and lot of people are coming. You know, they want jackets, they want to buy the gear there, and see basically so much awareness is there. And
yeah,
because of this YouTube, motor wheel hogging, people are following. I think Jason Films has more than 10 lakh followers now. Blue Biker has got more than 5 lakh followers now. So these guys are really promoting the biking scene and everybody's getting influenced and like and everybody wants to have that they want to own a bike they want to own a good gear and they realize the importance of safety that we
yeah,
need to wear a good helmet and the jacket and gloves and all so
correct.
it's good so market is very big so we don't have to be scared and of course we are very much confident on our quality and the pricing what we are having and and like again when customers they ask us that how is your quality and so we always tell that sir we ask them that where you are from if they say that they are from Bombay or some other place where we have a dealer we always suggest them go to the dealer see the product check the product feel the quality see the competitor also what they are having what we are having then you decide what you want. I myself in the store we are selling our other brands also and we never promote our Guardian gears. We of course it's our brand so we tell that it's our brand but
Hmm.
we show them the Rhinox we show them the other products and then they decide and there are customers who buy Rhinox also so it's nothing and Rhinox is a very big brand with very good
Yeah,
quality product so
yeah. I
nothing
mean, even they have grown from small
my
to big. I've seen them
yeah
growing
absolutely so
in front of
there
me.
is no point in being scared or being afraid or not mentioning anybody's name I don't know.
That's the way to go. I mean, that's really a healthy way to go, I would say. Healthy competition
Yes,
actually
yes.
gets you where you have to go.
Ah,
And
yes,
you
absolutely.
keep that open mind and you learn from other products and other quality stuff, how to that helps you improve your quality and bring out better and much more
Yeah.
products in the market, which is helpful for others. Absolutely, I mean,
Yes.
hats off to you for that. So
Thank you.
uh,
Thank you once again.
now that you will be coming on to roaring listings, how do you feel about it?
Yeah, we are excited. Let's see how the things work out. So I'm in talk with Abhishek. We have not yet finalized the details and all. We are just discussing still. So we are excited to be associated with Roaring Cycles.
Yeah, I hope so that you would like to stay with us more. And also, the people in Roaring Cycles would definitely like to reach out to you, because I mean, जहाँ quality है वहाँ पे लोग हैं. And again, अभी तो we all want to become Atmanirbhar, so yes, Indian and go locals and all those
Yeah.
things happening.
Yes, yes,
I think
yes,
this is
yes.
going to really open up a big market for all the Indian producers that's
Yes,
going to be
yes,
there.
yes, yes,
So,
yes, yes.
so
And
you
we
said
are
for
also like,
yeah, go
pardon?
ahead. No, no, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. So I mean, for that Atmanirbhar thing, what you were saying. So we are also, as a company now, we are also consciously trying to source out only Indian manufacturers for our products, the raw material what we are having.
Mm-hmm.
So earlier we used to import from China also. We used to import from China. So what is
Mm-hmm.
not available here, we have to get it from outside. But
Right.
99% we are trying to get everything from India itself. So we are also, as a company, we are also taking that direction to support the Indian brands and Indian companies.
That would be really nice. I mean, that is really nice because if we are self-sustained, we don't have to go outside. And I think India itself is a huge market where we can make our own produces. And if the quality is bad, we can immediately give a feedback, get what we want done in the best way it can be done. and that sustainability
Yes.
will definitely help all the small business people or people who are into raw materials and things like that. So
Hmm. Hmm.
yeah, that's a very
Yes.
good way to go. So yeah, Abhishek is asking, do you find that change uh, difficult in sourcing, like because you're now changing on to taking more from Indian market? Is that any
Uh,
being difficult, or how is it?
See, anyways, 50% of our raw material is sourced from India only.
Mm-hmm.
So 50, only the fabric and the other things we want to source out, and we are in negotiation with few companies. So there are people who make this product here, and we are just and right now we are stocked up for the next 4 to 5 months. So we have the raw material enough for sustaining for the next
Uh-huh.
at least 3 to 4 months. And after that, we are by that time, I think we will be able to freeze on some supplier who can give us in India only. They can make and give us what we want and the quality we want. So main important thing here is the quality, because
Right.
when we started also it was a big challenge for us to get this quality, because when we like Bombay is also a very big market for the fabric. So when we went
Yeah.
there, it was very difficult, because when you go and when you ask, the people will show you the least quality, the cheapest one. ये सर ये सस्ता है, लेके जाओ, ये अच्छा है, यही चलता है. तो वी सेड दैट मुझे ये चाहिए, हमको चाहिए नहीं भाई, हमको अच्छा क्वालिटी का बताइए, नो प्रॉब्लम, द प्राइस विल बी मोर, बट वी वांट समथिंग व्हिच इज ड्यूरेबल.
Correct.
And that was a big challenge even in the beginning, even in the starting when we
Mm-hmm.
started. And so we, in fact, we spent a lot of our money on the getting the fabric, and then we realized we got the fabric and it was not up to the standard, so we had to just scrap it. And so we have learned on the on our journey.
Right.
So it is a challenge, but I think we will sort it out. It is a challenge, but we'll
Absolutely.
sort it out.
Correct, correct. And I think somewhere it will get easier, because if you get it in India, you can just travel to that place and usko bolo ke yaar ye nahi chahiye, I want this quality, get it checked from there itself.
Hmm. Hmm.
Rather than when you outsource, I mean,
Ha.
source it from outside, it becomes more difficult for us to
Yes,
go and
yes,
see and
yes.
get what we want.
I know, I know, I know, I know. Yeah, so that is also a plus point for us. So and see, starting initial में problem आएगा, but we are confident वो हो जाएगा, sort हो जाएगा. So now we call ourselves as Make in India product. We are made in India. The products are made in India, and now we will become 100%. That is our aim going in the future, to become 100% made in India. That even the raw material is made in India. What we buy, even the
Awesome.
raw material is that.
Awesome.
So even we are in that direction. Even we have taken that step in that direction.
That's really great. And yeah, thank you very much for that. So we are almost up for an hour now, so unfortunately I'll have to let you go, but I think, once you're on with us, and anyways, yes, you are there on with this interview, I hope you get more and more positive response. And
Thank you
yeah,
so
once
much.
I'm there in Hyderabad, I'll definitely come to Tirmalgiri and visit your shop
Please,
and
ma'am.
see things
Please, most welcome.
in person.
Most welcome.
So
Most welcome.
thank you
Most
very
welcome.
much, Ismail, for coming on to our show and sharing all the knowledge about Guardian Gears and other products as well, and also taking few of my feedbacks positively. Thank you very much, and I hope very soon that you get onto your 100% of Made in India product
Thank you.
out there.
Thank you. The
Thank you.
pleasure is all mine. The pleasure is all mine, and thank you for inviting me. The pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much for being on the show, and have a happy rest of the time of today as well as the whole week, because
You.
it's just Monday. So enjoy your time
Yes,
and
yes.
take
You,
care, stay
you
safe,
too, man.
and
Take
we'll
care.
see you
Bye,
soon.
bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Sure, sure. See you. Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Same
Bye,
here.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye bye.
guys.
So, guys, that was Guardian Gears for you from Hyderabad.